So it's time for me to replace my tires. I got 22,600 miles out of my rears, and it's time to replace them now. Now, out of the front ones, I got 17,000 out of them, and part of the reason was because I had hit a curb, so I threw the alignment off spec, so they wore prematurely. Not only that, since the steer ones tend to wear more on the edges and you can't rotate these tires, they don't last as long. So here are my brand new ones, 285s. I kind of wish I had the CO6 that it's got like much wider tires, 345, something like that. I got this one's BF Goodrich, and they're XL, so they're for extra load, so they can actually hold more load. But it's the only tire that they make that's a summer only. It's not that I intended for it to be extra load, but it's just another plus. And these ones are also C rated, so I'm gonna get them put on. And I also bought the new reseal kit for the TPMS sensor, so it's a good idea to get that replaced. Today's not really a great day to be driving around the Corvette because it's raining, but the shop that's doing this for me, they're kind of slow today, so I'm going to go ahead and take it for them tires to get put on. So these are my old tires, and the thread was down to the wear bars, so that's the minimum legal limit to be driving around on the tires. I know a lot of people like to get their money's worth and try to get as much use out of them as possible, but I just didn't want to keep driving on these tires because I can notice a huge difference in grip, especially if it's raining. It just doesn't grip that well at all. So on a Corvette, you know, I want to have that grip. I actually had a nail on one of my tires, and I didn't get the tire patched or plugged just because I was fixing to get the tire replaced anyway, but and it was not even leaking actually, so I didn't bother with it. The sidewall of these tires is just massive because they're run flat tires. They're very hard to bend. So I came back, got my tires put on. I was driving it in the rain, and it makes a night and day difference having brand new tires. It's got much better grip, so I'm really glad I got them put on, because before that, first, second gear, even on half throttle, if the ground was wet, I just didn't have any grip. And another cool thing about this ones is I noticed they have a little bit of an offset right here where the tire sticks out just a little bit outside the rim, and I think that's pretty cool because I had actually scratched up the rim before right here on my old ones. So at least with this, it may protect the rim from getting scratched if I hit a curb. So I'm pretty happy with these tires. I had the alignment done at 17,000 miles when I had my front ones replaced. The car still steers straight and everything, so I might get it checked out at some other time just to make sure it's still good. Yeah, it's a great car. Plan to keep on putting more miles in it, so I plan to enjoy it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.